In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Valorant not opening, launching, or starting. First, open the Riot client, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, select Valorant and click Repair. Then wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. If Valorant still won't open, close everything related to Valorant, Vanguard and Riot client, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for a Riot client, Valorant or Vanguard. Right-click each one and select End Task. Next, open the Start menu, search for Valorant. Right-click on it and select the option Open File Location. Then right-click Valorant again and open its file location. Navigate to Valorant, then Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64 folder, find Valorant Win64 shipping.exe, right-click it, open Properties, go to Compatibility tab and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. After that, open Services. From the Start menu, find VGC, right-click it, open Properties, select the startup type to Automatic, click Start if it's stopped, then apply the changes. Next, open Config, search for System Configuration and launch it. Go to the Services section, make sure VGC is checked and click OK. Now press Windows plus R, type %app data hit enter. Go back to app data, open local, then Riot Games, then Riot client data and rename Riot Games privacy settings.yml by adding OLD to it. Then open device manager, expand the display adapters, right click your GPU and select update driver. Finally, open graphics settings. Search for it and launch it. Now search for Valorant. If it's not listed, click on Add Desktop App, search for it and add it. Now set the GPU preference to the highest performance. Restart your PC one last time and try launching Valorant again. This should fix the issue. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.